communication, optical fiber connected server with all the buildings. We were tired and we almost stopped telling to the staff members use NPTEL. We were trying one year using the models and trying to plan everything. But nowadays I think we stopped telling all these things. Because then we tried. Why not we load our own local material with simple English with the same visual materials and even Tamil materials also. So now in the IST convention at Erode Engineering College, we had a panel discussion, and in the panel discussion we came to a conclusion that at least for civil, mechanical, electricals, we can permit the students to write announced examination by using English and Tamil. By that at least the pass percentage will be retained. Because now, other than the autonomous colleges, there is no standardized result percentage in the last 3 or 4 years after the creation of Coimbatore University and after the merger. Every year we are having problem in the results. This is the problem of engineering college. But in the case of polytechnic, the examination system is standardized. Only here and there we used to get the small problems, but the system is very good. In the case of engineering, when the paper is going for evaluation at Chennai, the expectations are very high, and at least 20 to 25% we are losing the results. And when we are going for the re-evaluation, the boy got 23 marks, getting 75 marks. Like that, the standard process totally lacking. And who is responsible for this? All the staff members and the system. So we got many challenges in the technical education. How to at least reduce the problems and how to meet the challenges in the technical education, both in the result side and also the knowledge side. Knowledge side, friends, you must be knowing that a syllabus forming from one batch to another batch, it is taking 3 or 4 years, and many innovations are coming out in between, and we are not in a position to update ourselves. So all these things, if we are having some cushion effect, we will be in a position to utilize the new innovation for the real employability skills of the students. So the industry is expecting high employability skills from the engineers. Our expectation is, see, from my point of view, I used to expect that my students should get placed and they should get passed. Whether they are getting university rank or not, that is different, but they should get passed. 50% or 45%, 50% they are getting. When the ranks are published in the public, we can go to the public meeting and proudly tell my colleges got this much rank. Otherwise, he is coming and telling everything, but his college is having 500 rank. See, in the case of Excel, we got one college 46th rank. So we are telling proudly that we got 46th rank Excel Group Institution. But that is not the real thing. We got 150th rank and 170th rank, like that. For one college we got 46th rank. Like that, everyone is, even the principals are sometimes ashamed to tell the real rank of that particular college. There may be some difference in the ranking system. That is a different story. But in the case of calculation or in the case of publication, automatically we are all tempted to take some initiatives how to come up in this line. So there is a contrary interest. First one is whether the education is knowledge-based education or a result-based education. Whether the students or the society wants knowledge-based education or a result-based education. That is the major question mark nowadays. But out of compulsion, even the colleges which are giving knowledge-based education also being transferring themselves or changing themselves into a result-based education. But for your information, see, this region, Kongu region is playing a vital role in converting the education into a knowledge-based education by conducting many number of workshops and seminars, competitions. Many competitions are being carried by many colleges. Last 3 days, yesterday I went to Pannariamman Institute of Technology. 3 days they conducted the Science and Technology Expo. Many competitions among the students, many prizes to the participants. Similarly, last month, under ISTE, Erode Secondary Engineering College has organized the Students' Convention of Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry section. Almost 1,500 students participated from various institutions, 110 institutions they got participated. And many things we are planning. The IST is having limited role, but at the same time many professional bodies are actively working in Tamil Nadu. IEI, IEEE, like that, all the CSE, Committee of India and other professional bodies are working to their best. But what is the purpose? One is we want to utilize the opportunities available to the engineering students. What is the real opportunities available? Only advantages nowadays is the global opportunities. We can serve not only to Tamil Nadu, not only to India, we can serve all over the world. Even many of our colleagues, those who have worked with us previously, now they are working in either in European countries or in Asian countries. Many opportunities are coming up, and the supremacy in teaching by the Indians always proved, and every university is liking the Indians because of their dedication. So the youngsters has to train, or they should make up their mind to catch the best opportunities available globally. And technically, whether it is in the syllabus or it is in your domain or not, சின்ன பசங்கிட்ட போய் செல்ஃபோன் கொடுத்து பாருங்க, நம்ம எல்லாத்தோடும் பெஸ்ட்டாக ஒர்க் பண்ணுவாங்க, அத்தனையுமே தெரிஞ்சு வச்சுருப்போம். நாம் we are all limited our knowledge with restricted area or syllabus bound areas. So learn whatever the interested areas and try to practice that learned things, and by practicing that whatever may be the area. Even I know some of the doctors, those who completed PG in medicine, now practicing in computers. I met one person at Singapore when I was visiting last time. He is working in the HP company as the Asian in charge. One of my classmates from Suresh. So he is the Asian in charge for HP for the R&D division. He brought one person, but when I go through that biodata, he is a veterinary doctor. And he was a veterinary doctor and practiced for some time. He got some inclination on the software side, and he joined, he started practicing and learned something and joined in HP, and he is a top level management person at Singapore. Why I am telling, see, whatever may be the education, that is the fundamental things, but try to give the exposure to the students to utilize the global opportunities. Wherever he is having the aptitude, you motivate them in that line. Another thing is the education qualification code. See, like the first generation employees and the first generation families, those who are going for employment first time, we need some basic qualification. Afterwards, the education qualification plays less role when comparing with the real professional qualification, that is professional skills. See, to maintain a 100 crore worth of business, that entrepreneur's son or the second generation management person, he needs specific skills, specific aptitude, only then he can retain the business. Similarly in engineering also, the system is getting changed in the Western countries. So we should also try to learn that area, and other than the regular curriculum, value-based education we should learn. See, we are having plenty of time. Being a teacher, I know that we used to take 3 hours per day. Another or 2 hours per day, and we'll spend 1 hour in the library, another 2 hours only by going to the next department or to the adjacent building. We will go and chat. Instead of that, if you are changing little bit, we can really meet the challenges of today's technical education. Today's technical education needs lot of changes. Only then we can compete with the international technical education to carry out that only the IST activities, because being the IST activities, today I want to tell about IST for about 2 minutes. Actually, in the last 2 years, I took over as the president of IST in 2 years before that, August 2012. In the last 2 years, we have improved the membership around 21%. 8,500 members we have increased, from 24,000 to 31,000 we have raised. And the student membership from 50,000 to 1,98,000. Actually today, all our members are at Rajkot. The students convention is going on, All India Students Convention is going on. Last year, we got the best chapter award throughout the nation. This year also we have applied, and yesterday presentation was over. Like that, and the number of student chapters and the institution members will also rise around 30%. Why I am telling all this is, still the IST has not reached to the root level of the younger institutions. That activities we are carrying out, and now instead of going for one staff faculty convention and one students convention, now in the last 2 years I have introduced one faculty convention for Polytechnic and one faculty convention for engineering. This is the 3rd year. So this year the faculty convention is being organized at National Engineering College, Kovilpatti, in the coming month. So the staff members can come and attend the things. Similarly, the students convention being organized, one at for the engineering college, Erode Sengundar already completed. For the Polytechnic, PAG is celebrating his 60th year of his Polytechnic. So we have given the first Polytechnic faculty convention to PAG Polytechnic College. Similarly, regional conference this year we have decided, and in that line, Rajacham Engineering College, they are organizing a regional conference of Chennai and Kanjipuram Chengalpet area, and Perumal Manimegalai, we have given one regional conference. So Sonaya is going to conduct another conference, and Johnson is going to conduct the secretaries meeting of